Israel, go ahead. What do you have?
About the Tefillin, but this complete another topic. What if you don't have Tefillin to pray every day?
Okay, so you don't put it basically. I mean that's a positive mitzvah. So I mean, if you have it, you do it. If you don't have, what can you do? You continue praying without Tefillin. I mean, that's it.
All right.
But it's actually we're going to learn Beezrat Hashem. It's one of the mitzvah that person who do not put tefillin, it's and do not have a circumcision. There are only two positive mitzvahs for which person is not going to get Olam Haba. All others only like negative, right? If he prohibitions, if he ate chometz on Pesach and stuff like that, he desecrated Shabbos. But for among the positive, if I remember correctly, only this two.
Right, Rabbi. So is that the one good thing about Chabad putting on tefillin?
Exactly. That's one good thing. But is it going to help him if he's living with non-Jewish wives? Absolutely not.
Just
you understand? Especially these people who goes like to the stores, right? And they put once every Friday, right? Once every Friday. Yeah, he said I put tefillin to them. He said, do you own one? No. Why should I own it? I have this little Chabadnik that comes. I give him $5, and he puts some tefillin on me. It's like I don't know, like a haircut. So why should I get my scissors if I go to this barber and he's going to do my haircut? You understand? So I mean they accustom people to do this, and is it good? I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure because all of these averas they overweigh this. Of course, they give him a ticket. They give him like opportunity, but if they continue being on Chal Shabbos, it's not going to help much. That's the thing. Okay, we stop here.